This is day 2 of Minibal War Tycoon. This is my our second day actually playing this game. Let's upgrade more stuff because from we got a lot. What is the next thing we buy? Soldier 500 and 9. Wait, we can actually do this. Attack! Let's attack the enemy. Attack them. So good. Oops. While we're here, let's look at our portal mine that we bought from the last video. And we have actually made me a lot of money. But we still don't have enough for the miner for this. Oh no, I think we can kill that. Oh no, I mean buy because we are still we still got no prestige one. Wait, what's these two? Miner hammer, damage boost, miner helmet. Let's make them equip. This is our first equipment for our guys. Under construction. Well, and we will be going back to our base. Oh, never mind. We will buy the miner for, and we will come back here after we actually. I think that's called rebirthing. Represtation, I think that's called. I don't know what is the arrow pointing to. I literally upgrade things, but I think we should just don't care about the the arrow. Katana. Oh no, it's actually a weapon from for our from. See. Oh no, Archer was our first one. Also, that's the soldier have actually crossbower, crossbowman. Yeah, yeah, we should buy crossbowman. Oh, never mind. That was 7,000. I thought that was 1,000. But we can buy the army. I think. I don't know what this do, but I think it spawns some soldiers. Walls for 1,000. We sure we should get the walls for. I don't know why, but let's see. What are the walls? Oh, it's just a defense thingy. Wall. Okay.
Ayun ang damit mo?
Hmm.
Sigurado ka?
Okay lang man to.
Basa na yung ano, oh.
Eh, masapin to eh.
May basa yan, eh. Tignan mo, basa na yung ilalim ng dede mo.
Ah,
Yung ano, pinanasa mo na agad yata. Yung...
wait guys.
Ah, wala ba yung red favorite mo?
Hindi ko alam. Ibasot ko na ata eh. Ay, hindi pala. Lalagyan ko na dyan. Ayan. Wala ka lang pala. Kaya pala yun. Bakit na yun? Ba't ata yun?
Ito isang mo dito sa upuan. Lamig.
Sotin ko ulit yan.
May pawis.
Hmm?
Laban na kaya?
Hmm. Nag-video ko maya. Okay, we got 3K now. Let's see what can we buy in 3K. Let's look at our soldiers for what we can buy. Wait, what happened? Oh, it just lagged. Noobs invasion. I know, guess. Hmm? Say your kay mama? Cats. I'm a cute cat. Oh, that's... Maya na. Video pa ako. Fire crossbowman. Maya na. Nag-video nga dito eh. Kulit mo nag-video nga. Soldier or let's look at some other before buying the soldier. Yeah, I think soldier is the only one that we can buy. Yeah. Or the soldier tent, but I don't know what does the soldier tent does. Wall upgrade, archer station, tower, horse. What more? Pat, tower, clone troops, soldier, and other. Yeah, maybe just a few. Dang, why is that pet so expensive? Troop chain mill? I think we should buy more basic pumps so we can get more money. Can we get? We are level 2, so we can buy the basic pump 6 and basic pump 7. So we can only get next the silver pump if we have 2,800 grand. 280 grand. I think that's what they say in 280k. Let's look at our miners and see how. Dang, they actually made 4,000. Dang, we are rich, guys. We are actually rich. You know what? Yeah, let's buy the silver pump. So I say two. Yeah. Upgrade the walls. Then what can we get? Upgrade wall. Oh, almost. Yeah, let's upgrade the wall. After we get, yes, upgrade the wall. Hey, what does upgrading the wall even do? Just notice. Dang, I think we just got scammed. Or I just didn't notice any upgrade, so that's why. So we can actually command them. Oh, 2000 Windows. Bruh. Okay, what does this window do? Just literally orange tinted glass. Chana. Mask. I don't know what does the mask do. Actually, I got the. Let's get the rug. Hmm. I think we need to get another pump. Oh, never mind. That's 4K. That actually is actually. Wait, let's go to the mine. I think we already make like 1000 plus, I guess. Yes, I was right. You know what? Yeah, let's upgrade our value. Then, thank you. Bombastic katana. Bro, I'm thinking that one meme, the bombastic side eye. I don't know why I am thinking about it from the bombastic katana. But, wait, let's try to get the horse. And horse? What is the horse really? One horse? Oh, so that's, so we got a sword. Oh, yeah. Let's go. We got a fight. We got, oh, that's the horse the guy in the part 1, the guy that raids us in the part 1 video. Well, thank you for watching my video. See you in part 3, I guess.